Open the top cover. Raise each toner cartridge. Lift the toner cartridge assembly out of the printer. Cover the toner cartridge assembly to prevent light exposure. When removing the transfer belt assembly, note the position of the connectors on the side of the printer. Be careful not to damage these connectors. Turn the two blue dials to the unlock position. Lift the end next to the unwinder using the blue handle. Once that end has been lifted, use the blue handle on the other end and lift the assembly out of the printer. Carefully put it aside. When replacing the transfer belt assembly, the second transfer roller is also replaced. To remove the roller, lift up the two blue tabs. Lift the end towards the front of the printer first, then lift the other side and remove the roller. To install the new roller, repeat the process in reverse. Make sure to lower the two blue tabs. Before installing the transfer belt assembly, note the position of the connectors on the side of the printer. Be careful not to damage these connectors. Insert the left end of the belt assembly first. Make sure to line up the arrows on the back left side, one on the printer, one on the assembly. Lower the assembly into place. Turn the blue tabs to the locked position. Install the toner assembly tray. Line up the arrows on the left side, one on the printer, one on the toner assembly. Lower the assembly into place. Lower each toner cartridge. Make sure they're fully seated and close the top cover.